A wonderful action by Hollywood CGI team, but is it possible in real life? Well, physics got an answer for you.
The law of conservation of momentum is what's going to help us describe this event. For a collision occurring between object 1 and object 2 in an isolated system, the total momentum of two objects before and after collision is equal. But before we go deeper in physics, let's remember the third law of Isaac Newton, which is really simple. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. And now let's find out what it actually means.
Considering a collision between object 1 and object 2, the forces acting between those two objects are equal in magnitude and opposite in directions.
And now let's understand what impulse is. In physics, the force times the period of time when the force was applied equals the mass times the change in velocity. The quantity of force times the time is known as impulse.
Forces acting between those two objects in an equal amount of time, which means that impulse experienced by those two objects are equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction.
On the other hand, if the object is moving, then it has a momentum. It has its mass in motion. The momentum equals the mass times velocity.
The impulse experienced by an object is equal to the change of momentum of that object itself, according to the impulse-momentum change theorem. This way, the momentum changes are equal in magnitude and also opposite in direction.
Thanks to calculus to experience, we were able to calculate the two-dimensional inelastic collision. And when we got the final equations, all we needed was an answer from universal pictures about the velocity of wind diesel in the air. Unfortunately, there was no callback, but we learned way more than just the speed of this cute couple. Now we know what momentum and impulse is. Thanks for listening.